Aloha guys, Super Chris here. Recently I got my new Cedros 8000 reel in the mail. I had two of them. I put line on them, went on the field, and the first one was doing pretty good. The second one, it was jammy. Every turn it was getting stuck. And I was thinking, oh my God, what happened? And I remember the box was damaged. But when I looked at the reel wasn't damaged. But I didn't look close enough because look at that, the bail arm is damaged. I don't know why I didn't notice, but it should be going around perfectly. Look at that bend. Now look at this. This is a perfect bail wire. Notice the difference? I should have seen that from the beginning, but I didn't. So I got in touch with Okuma, and the person in charge of this parts department, Ronald Almanza. Oh, he was great. I mean, he's helped me in the past. He sent me this beautiful, brand new bail wire. Just in case, I just needed the bail wire, but he sent me the bail arm and a bail holder. The problem I ran into is every time I flicked the bail wire up, right here, it would hit the edge of the spool. And after a couple pretty good hits, it was obvious that it wasn't going to work. And I said, if I try to bend the wire back, which might do something else. So I just thought it was better just to contact Okuma and let them send me a new part, which they did. Now the bail wire does two things. It engages, when you engage the bail, it prevents line from unwinding from the spool, and also when during the disengaging, it releases line for casting. Well, the bail arm has a few nicks, same as the bail holder, but I'm gonna just leave that there. It's fine. I'm just going to replace the bail wire itself. So on the bail arm, this is the arm here, right? See that? That's the bail arm. I'm just gonna loosen the screw over here, and I'm just gonna pop this off and pull the bail wire out of the holder. That was a pretty long screw, but I just got that out. Okay, this is what it looks like here, the replacement part. So on this one here, you can see that it still has a bearing that's sitting on the collar. So I'm just going to pull the bearing and the collar off. Okay, I just pull the bail wire out of here. So there you go. Check to make sure that the bail arm is responding perfectly, and it is. See the spring load here? So we can commence. So first thing I'm going to do, put the bail wire into the bail holder. See that? You think that's fit in there, but it's not. What you have to do is you have to shove it in there, and you're going to feel two clicks. You're going to hear click, click. So put that in there. There. Two clicks. See, you don't see that skinny part showing you more? Two clicks. So from there, I'm going to turn it around, put it through the arm. Oh, that's right, not quite yet, because on the arm we got to put back the bearings, the collar, the bearing over the collar, like so. And also I'm going to put a drop of lube on this, because it's salt water. It's in salt water, so it needs that. So I just put it finger tight in there, just making sure. Oh, it popped off, so let me go put that back on. So I'm putting some pressure on it right now. I'm going to put the screw on the back. So look at that. I just put it back on. Looks pretty good, right? It operates smoothly, and I'm all set again. Now, I didn't have No, I mean, here's the arm, there's the holder. I didn't have to put on the arm and the holder that Okuma sent me. Ron's been taking good care of me. I mean, when you call, he's in charge of the parts department, Ron Almanza. He'll help you out. Really nice guy. I haven't met him, but man, he's treated me so nice on the phone for over the years. Even before I started working with Okuma, testing their equipment, he's always been there for me. Now look at the old arm compared to the new one. World of difference, right? So that's it. Very simple how to replace it. Thank you.